Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my finale for the 6 by Summer that I'm doing as a collab here with the lovely Kaylee Wesley, and as you know she'll be linked up here and down below. So if you're interested in my quick little video, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so out of the 6 products that we were working on for I think about 3 months, I hit goal on 4, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm just going to show you those products and then I'll show you the 2 that we didn't quite make it with. Okay, so the first product I actually finished was this Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist with rose water and green dew. And there is 80 mils in this bad boy, or 2.7 fluid ounces. And it is the most beautiful mister I haven't used many, but out of the ones I've ever used, the mister on these I absolutely love. My favorite one is the orange one. The white one, the oat one, is very hydrating. However, it is 22 euros and I personally go through it so quickly. So I'm going to reuse this bottle in another project and I'm going to put some tea in it, some minty tea or something like that, because I like the mister. I would repurchase the orange one, but not on a frequent basis because it's too much money for how quickly I go through it, so it would be too painful for me. Maybe as a treat yourself type of a situation. The second product I finished is this one here, and it is the Glam Glow Hollywood, California Gravity Mud Firming Treatment Mask. How many mils are in you? There is 15 grams or 0.5 ounces. This is where it is. So it was a peely off mask, but not a sore peely off mask. It was so aesthetic. I don't know about you, but it all peeled off in one foul swoop, and I don't know why, but I was happy about that. I don't know about firming because I don't really know, but it did make my whole face feel so nice and even after and smooth. I didn't feel any I have texture here. I didn't feel any texture. I did really enjoy it. I wonder is there such a thing as repurchasing this particular size, because it's not like you'd use it that frequently. Product, the next empty is this Huda Beauty Lip Gloss Stuff in, is it Hypnotic? It's 2 mils or 0.7 ounces. They're duochrome milky ones. I have the stopper removed and she's all empty now. There it is there. All completely gone, stopper and all. You know, the duochrome, I'm just not particularly into duochrome lip glosses anymore. It had a vanilla taste off it. Not that I would know. No, it had a vanilla taste off it. It was quite nice. But if I really wanted, it'd be great if they sold mini, like a set of minis is quite expensive. So, but you do get to try different colors if you're into it. But if I really wanted to, I'd like to just be able to buy one individual mini. I don't really feel like wearing duochrome lip glosses at the moment, so I will not be repurchasing. This next one I will show you on a piece of paper. It is the NYX High Voltage Lipstick in, goddammit, in Dahlia. It is a blackberry, it is a dark lipstick. It's basically dark purple. I will show you this on a piece of paper. My goal was to use half, and I have used half. I predominantly use this as a blush because it's just not a shade I wear anymore. I used to, always wear this type of a shade, and that has taught me to, if I like something that's kind of unique and not neutral, try stuff and not buy multiples, because you might fall out of love with it and then you're stuck with a few of them. So anyway, I'll show you this on a piece of paper. I'd say you guys are totally sick of seeing this filthy page. So I started here. This was where I was the last time. This was the goal, and this is where it got to. Yes. It's great that you can use a lipstick that you don't like, as if you don't want to get rid of it, as a blush, because it was actually quite a nice blush. For the 2 products that I didn't quite hit goal on, my MAC blush in, I think it's in Dame. I still have Juicy Lucy Pan, but it's not moving. My goal was 20 uses and I did 12. So consider how many blushes I'm panning. I'm actually pretty happy because I haven't been using this in such a long time. I really enjoy the colour. My heart. Hi Pee-wee. Sorry about that. My phone rang and I do not know where I was. It was Pork. He was on his way home from work. So yes, I got to 12 of 20 uses with this one. I didn't quite make the goal of 20, but my ultimate goal was to get use out of it because I wasn't. This is probably a blush that will be panned It's very, very hard to get any use, like to get it to look different. It's a real subtle blush, which I prefer anyway than intense blushes. This last one is a pigment from Inglot in the shade 112, and I got 6 of 20 uses. Like, focus. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, I hadn't used this in so long, so even though I only got 6 of 20 uses, considering I'm panning over like 30 eyeshadows, I'm actually really happy I got any uses. So 6 out of 20. That's my update, guys. I hope you do check out Kaylee. She's such a lovely, beautiful individual. Her details are linked down below, so do give that a little check. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye. Thank you.